Hey everyone, welcome to DIY Outdoor Life. We create videos to help people get outdoors more. Since we got our tiny trailer, we've spent more time outdoors than we have in. We've been able to make 2 cross-country road trips and spend over a couple hundred nights in our camper. We like to document our journeys, but we also create instructional videos on the common maintenance items that camper owners have to be able to take care of. We make videos on common modifications and upgrades, including improved batteries and the installation of solar, so we can use our travel trailers anywhere. We've been able to make some collaborations with other outdoor YouTube channels, and we've had a lot of fun doing that. With all of this, a lot of our viewers still say that they tune back in to check out what Ripple is up to. So if you're interested in coming aboard, make sure to click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you're notified when we release our weekly videos. We appreciate you swinging by and sharing our love for the outdoors.